I highly recommend to watch, okay, lalo sa mga may partners, may inspire kayo.
Not to spoil anyone, no, you have to watch the movie, no. At towards the end, there's a lesson, and it's a good twist, no.
I highly recommend itong movie na to sa mga may partner na manood din kayo. I'm sure na makaka-relate din kayo dito. Para marami rin kayong ma-realize, ayos yung relationship nyo.
May part po nun nakakaiyak po dun about sa wife, yung struggle po. Kaya ako siya pinanood kasi ano kaya yung mga struggle as husband and wife. So yun, kung paano rin siya masusolve.
Lahat pagdadaanan natin yung may away, may tampuhan, kakaroon kayo ng mga challenges.
Kumbaga dapat kapag yung pagsubok, kailangan hindi nyo susukuan yung isa't isa. Sabi nga, di ba, for better or for worse, dapat magkasama kayo, walang iwanan.
There will be whirlwinds, there will be rough times, but at the end of the day, if you love each other, yung healing will just be automatic.
I highly encourage and invite everyone to watch Everything About My Wife. So now showing siya.
Sana manood po kayo. I'm sure maraming makaka-relate dito.
Watch Everything About My Wife and you'll love it.